From overpass oopsies to red light rammers, dump truck dings to DUI disasters, today's episode of Wham Bam Dashcam is packed with peril, so hold on tight. This subscriber's father was headed home after dropping his mother off at work when he was suddenly rear-ended while at a traffic light. The driver of a Chevy pickup slammed into a Nissan SUV, pushing it into an Audi, which then rolled into the back of our subscriber's father's Ford Taurus. Of the 4 vehicles involved in the collision, only the Taurus remained drivable. Our subscriber told us the pickup driver was arrested for their 3rd DUI. Repairing the Ford Taurus took a month and cost $6,000. Thankfully, nobody involved was seriously injured. Jay was on his way to the Nashville International Airport to pick up his daughter's friend when the driver of a Toyota RAV4 tried to muscle their way in front of his Ford F-350 Super Duty in a construction zone. The SUV driver ended up pit maneuvering themselves off Jay's pickup before spinning out of control and crashing into a construction barrier. Thankfully, nobody was hurt, but the collision did $2,700 in damage to Jay's pickup truck. It took 2 weeks to get the damage repaired, and the truck remained drivable in the meantime. He was even able to pick up his daughter's friend from the airport on time. John and Marie were driving in Lampasas when they watched a driver ahead of them run a red light right next to a sheriff's deputy waiting in the turn lane. Needless to say, the deputy did not appreciate the driver's brazen disregard of the red light, and he immediately activated his party lights and pulled them over for some instant justice. Jim was driving through Halifax when he watched the driver of a tilt bed truck forget to return the tilting bed to the normal position before attempting to drive underneath an overpass.
Holy
Jim told us nobody was hurt, but the truck driver was probably embarrassed. He also told us he and his wife Jessica love watching Wham Bam videos. If you have footage to share, you'll find the submission link in the description. Jill watched a BMW SUV fly past her on the highway before the driver dove for an exit at the last possible second. You know what they say. Bad drivers never miss their exits. Thankfully, the SUV driver barely maintained control before slowing down significantly, and no collisions occurred before Jill eventually passed her. Jill told us that driving in Denver is scary, and you always have to keep your head up and watch for crazy people like this. This is why we got the Voiceover Dashcams. Hold up! Voiceover, the dashcam brand we've trusted and recommended for years, is running a sale for Amazon Prime Day from June 23rd through the 26th, with some of their best deals ever on 2 of our favorite dashcams. These are the specific models we use in our own cars every day. I have the A229 Pro in my Model 3, and Max has the A119M Pro in his. My A229 Pro is an absolute beast, recording crisp 4K video in the front and 2K in the rear, so I can always see what happened both in front of and behind my car with incredible clarity. It's powered by Sony's Starvis 2 sensors, so it has no problem handling night driving, bright sun, and glare better than most other dash cams. During Prime Day, the A229 Pro is only $219.99. That's 33% off. If you're a minimalist, Max is a big fan of the A119M Pro. It has a single front-facing 4K camera with incredible image quality, and for Prime Day, it's only $132.98. Voiceover told us that's the biggest discount they've ever offered. Both models include GPS logging as well as Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can copy footage to your phone in seconds without having to pull out the memory card. We've put links to both Prime Day deals in the description, but these prices are only available June 23rd through the 26th, so don't wait. Grab one while you can. If you're still on the fence, let's take a look at a few more reasons why having a dashcam is a good idea. This subscriber was on his way home after dropping his visiting parents off at their hotel, when a BMW driver must have realized he was in the wrong roundabout lane before diving in front of our subscriber's Honda Passport.
was that?
Thankfully, after our subscriber honked at the clueless driver, they aborted their attempt to get T-boned and turned out of the roundabout after all. Our subscriber told us, aside from his heart rate briefly spiking, nothing else happened. He also said he's a big fan of Wham Bam Dashcam and Wham Bam Tesla Cam, and he looks forward to every new episode. Steve is back with another submission, but this time he captured a collision instead of instant justice. Steve was driving south on the Florida Turnpike when a driver coming north somehow lost control before colliding first with the guardrail, then with the median barrier. It's unclear how the initial loss of control occurred, but it seems likely that the driver clipped the front of the semi-truck when they changed lanes without looking. Steve reported the incident to the Florida Highway Patrol. If you missed his previous submission, we'll put a link on the end screen so you can watch that episode after this one. This subscriber watched a Ford driver make an illegal left turn from a no left turn parking lot exit before ending up coming toward him on the wrong side of the road. Our subscriber gave a friendly beep after getting out of the other driver's way, prompting them to move to the correct side of the road before anything worse happened. He told us he recommends his dashcam for everyone. Riley was waiting in traffic when a pickup driver behind him suddenly changed lanes, sideswiping a passing SUV in the process. After the collision, Riley went back to check on the involved drivers. Neither was hurt, but the driver of the F-150 was not interested in talking to Riley. The SUV driver, on the other hand, was very grateful for a copy of this footage. Dr. John was driving through Portland in his 25-foot-long Jayco Redhawk RV when the driver of a Nissan Sentra in front of him got into the exit lane before suddenly changing his mind. Thankfully, Dr. John was able to swerve into the empty neighboring lane, avoiding a collision with the Nissan. But he told us the situation prompted his use of some choice words. He didn't tell us which words, so we'll just have to guess. Yikes. Sheesh. I sure am glad I have good reflexes. Wham Bam Dashcam is the best. Everyone should help them reach 500,000 subscribers. I'm sure it was something like that. Savannah had just exited a highway and was proceeding through a green light when a vehicle she never even saw suddenly collided with the driver's side of her Toyota Camry. When a police officer responded, he asked Savannah what she'd hit. She had to watch her dashcam footage to figure out that the other driver had made an illegal U-turn before running into the side of her car. Sadly, the impact totaled her Camry after the repair estimate exceeded $9,000. She also told us the other driver was cited by the police after they reviewed her dashcam footage. Bart encountered a Tesla behaving badly when a Model X driver rolled through a right on red, forcing him to swerve into the other lane to avoid a collision.
That Tesla man can't drive. That Tesla man can't drive.
I don't know how many times we have to say this, but you have to come to a complete stop before making a right on red, and you have to yield to other traffic. The Model X driver did neither of those things, making their right turn not only illegal, but extremely dangerous. Bart wanted to shout out his coworker Dan for introducing him to Wham Bam Dashcam. Thanks, Dan. Daniel watched the driver of a dump truck change lanes even though a Dodge Charger already occupied the space he was aiming for.
Oh!
After the dump truck clipped the quarter panel and bumper of the Dodge Charger, Daniel followed both drivers to the shoulder. He offered them both copies of his dashcam footage before continuing on his way to work. Tyler watched the driver of a Ford Explorer change lanes without checking their blind spot, barely avoiding a collision with a passing hatchback. Tyler couldn't tell if contact had been made, but when neither driver stopped, he realized the driver of the silver Subaru had been able to dodge getting sideswiped. Nathan was on his way to school when an SUV driver in the neighboring lane suddenly turned toward him, sideswiping his Acura ILX. Nathan stopped immediately to inspect the damage to his Acura, finding the side covered in scratches. When a police officer responded, they facilitated the exchange of insurance information between the two drivers. Thankfully, neither one was injured. We actually featured another video Nathan sent us in a previous episode, but that incident might have actually been his fault. We'll link to it at the end screen so you can go judge for yourself. Hannah was on her way to work when a black SUV suddenly zoomed past her before the driver found a creative way to run a red light. It absolutely baffles me that people think they can make a right on red without stopping, illegal, an immediate U-turn between intersections, illegal, and another right on red without stopping, illegal, and it's somehow fine. In case it isn't clear, this is still running a red light and it's still very illegal and very dangerous. Hannah told us the Maryland Motor Vehicle Administration gives away licenses in cereal boxes. Brandon was on his way home after picking up some firewood in preparation for an ice storm when a driver ahead swerved into oncoming traffic, clipping an oncoming SUV and sending both vehicles into opposite ditches. Brandon stopped and provided a copy of his dashcam footage to the responding police, who really appreciated it. Firefighters and paramedics also responded to the scene. He and his wife watch our videos with their son, and they got dashcams for both of their vehicles thanks to our recommendations. Jeanette was on her way home when she was nearly sideswiped by another driver as she was about to merge onto a highway. Jeanette dodged the Honda before exiting the highway again, evidently flustered enough by the occurrence to miss her chance to merge into traffic. She told us she captures enough bad driving on her dashcam for her own episode. Michael was on his way to pick up a delivery order from a local burger joint when he watched two drivers run their red lights before running into each other. The slow-motion replay reveals that both drivers had red lights prior to entering the intersection, but Michael doesn't know what the final ruling was. He had to continue to pick up his delivery and couldn't stick around. Herbert made a rare sighting of a Tesla Cybercab, making him only the second subscriber to send us dashcam footage of this prototype vehicle in the wild. Shortly after he passed it, it changed lanes and returned the favor. Don't forget to check out Steve's instant justice submission in this episode, or watch this one to see the time Nathan's speeding almost caused a high-speed collision. If you've got footage to share, use the link in the description to send it in, and we'll see you in the next one.
Wham! Bam! We got a Patreon man. Please support the show.